I'm super excited to share that DHL have just dropped off my cardboard box, and inside it is a brand new perimenopausal program. So we are ready to go with our fantastic new program in September, and I want to tell you a little bit more about what's inside of the box. And if you're a bit wobbly or questioning whether this is the right program for you, maybe because you personally aren't perimenopausal, I'm going to say to you that actually we can apply the contents of this box to any hormonal imbalance. So if you're sort of sitting on the fence and going, well, I'm only in my 30s, I've got ages to go before the menopause. If you work with women, just women, then this is the right program for you, because all of our women are going to go through the perimenopause at some point in their life. And believe me, from all the research I've done to put this program together, there are a lot of people out there needing the contents of this. So I'm super excited that, like with all of our programs, we've got your information pack. And remember that when you've completed this program, you can then roll this out with your clients, and you've got the whole of the content ready to go, ready to start them on a program, which is actually a fantastic way to do a one-to-many approach from your business point of view, which, if anybody's heard me talk about business mentoring, that's definitely the way to bring in the more money, one-to-many. Now, the contents of this box are phenomenal. We've got our brand new Mega Mag Perimenopause product. This was launched only this year and has been super popular as a standalone product. And like I said, even if you're not perimenopausal, the contents are still valuable for hormonal balancing. Now, when we put this with Estrilibrium, we've got the absolute match made in heaven from a hormone supporting point of view. I also use Estrilibrium as a standalone product with youngsters, girls just starting their periods who are PMS, hormonal imbalance, their cycle's out of range. So this one works beautifully for a full array of hormonal imbalance in women. Now, finally, is probably my most favourite product, and that is our glutathione. Now, you might have heard me talk about glutathione here at NutriAdvance before. I did a webinar on it, and if you haven't seen it, it's free as a download in your login section on the website. Our product has not just got my favourite antioxidant in there, it's got a synergistic blend to really help detoxification. So when we're thinking about clearing old hormones from the body, or in fact other toxic burden outside of hormonal overload, this Glutathione Plus is absolutely the right product for you. Now, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek into what is going to be in the PowerPoints. They are absolutely jam-packed. They're jam-packed to cover the whole of the HPA-TG axis, to look at liver and detoxification, to look at the gut and the connection between gut and hormonal imbalance, to look at neurotransmitters and how that feeds into things like sleep regulation and melatonin synthesis. But as well as that, we're focusing on neurodegeneration, cardiovascular health, osteoporosis. So as well as our core program, I'm also going to talk you through, for any of your future clients, which products you might need to add in. For example, if your client's got osteopenia, what might you add in? So this pack's ready to go. Our presentations are ready to go. I'm super excited to join you through the duration of the program. Are you in? I'm ready. Let's do it.